A very good afternoon to you. This is Weche TV, Weche Tuke edition. My name is Derek Omondi, and today I'm privileged to have my co-host.
My name is Amos Maina, and I'm here as a co-host with Derek Omondi.
Absolutely.
Of course, I'm an Arsenal fan and he's a Chelsea fan, so we'll be facing each other on Sunday, and we can be sure of a very nice game this weekend.
Yeah, absolutely. It will be a very tough game.
Yeah.
And we expect either side to get a win, actually.
Not either side. Of course, we know who will win. We of course know the winner. We of course know the winner right now. Everyone knows the winner.
Oh, come on.
It's just verification on Sunday.
Okay, let's wait.
Yeah, you will have to wait.
Well, karibuni sana. So we're going to start with the Kenyan Premier League as usual. We will be having a look at the fixtures, the predictions, and we will be giving you the table of how things look like after this international break. So, my friend,
yeah,
how was your week?
My week was good. I've been well. How about yours?
Mine is fantastic, and I can't wait to face some great fixtures of the weekend in either EPL and KPL as well. So we'll be starting with the fixtures for the Kenyan Premier League side. Well, I'll be taking you through the fixtures and where they will be played and the time as well. So on Saturday, the 21st of October, we'll be having Sofapaka versus Police. What's your take on the game?
Sofapaka versus Police. I give my support to Police. They have not been very good this season, but Sofapaka are not very good. Are not good at all this season. They are. I think they are at the bottom of the table. They have been poor. They have started poorly this season.
Actually, Police pia walipata a new coach. The former Gor Mahian side coach. So tangu ingie, at least mimi from my side naona vitu zimechange kidogo. Police I think they're number 4 on the table. They are not bottom. They moved. Yeah. So my support goes to Sofapaka. I'll go with Sofapaka in this game. Na pia ushindi. Remember, the game will be played at Machakos Stadium. It's been a while since Machakos Stadium was used, and we hope to see a good game. And into another fixtures, tuko na game ingine, tuko na Atalanta versus Posta Rangers. The game will be played at Ruaraka Grounds from saa 9 mchana. Into another fixtures of Saturday, the last fixtures on a Saturday, on that 21st, we'll be having KCB facing on Ulinzi Stars. What's your take about the KCB and Ulinzi?
KCB and Ulinzi, I will go with KCB. A 1-0 win.
A 1-0 win. Yeah. I'll also go with the KCB. They have been outstanding, and now pia ushindi for the fixture of that weekend. On Sunday, we have a couple of games being played. The first game will be Kariobangi Sharks facing on Moroni Youth. The game will be played at Nyayo Stadium from saa 7 mchana, and we expect everything to go as well. Tuko na pia Bidco facing on Muranga Seal. Muranga Seals were just promoted into the KPL, and they're doing well actually. So my friend, what's your prediction against the Muranga and Muranga Seal and Bidco United?
I think Muranga Seals have been very good since they were promoted. I don't think they have lost just one match since today. And I think they are going to win that game too. Bidco is not I can say Muranga Seals will win by 2-1.
2-1. Yeah, actually. Into other fixtures, I'll just take you through. Bandari will face FC Leopards at home, Mbaraki Stadium in Mombasa. Shabana FC will face Nairobi City Stars in Homa Bay actually. The game will be played at Raila Odinga Stadium. Tuko na pia Nzoia. They will be taking on Kakamega Homeboys. This is the Ingo Derby, the Western Derby between Nzoia and Kakamega Homeboys. Unaonaje hiyo mechi?
Hiyo mechi naona sare, lakini sare ya mabao.
Mabao
sare ya mabao 2-2.
2-2. Mimi kwa upande wangu naona Nzoia hawajaanza msimu vizuri, lakini nawatakia ushindi siku ya Jumapili. Natumai watashinda mabao 2 bila jibu on my side actually. Yeah. Into the last fixture of KPL on Sunday, tutakuwa na Tusker facing the mighty Kogalo at Kasarani Stadium. What's your view?
My view, I think coach Matano ashaambiwa ukiruzi game ama udraw, you are going home. So I think Tusker will try and fight. But I also think Gor Mahia are very strong for that. And I'm so sorry to tell Matano that that will be a very unfortunate loss, but I don't think he will survive, because I don't see Tusker beating Gor Mahia in any way. It's either a draw or a loss for Tusker.
Well, let's talk about Gor Mahia striker Benson Omala. The guy has been scoring game in, game out. Do you think this will be a stopper for him on Sunday against Tusker, or he will continue the same running of scoring goals?
I think Omala will continue with the same run of scoring goals. And like last season, he almost won the Golden Boot, but he went on a dry spell on the last, I think, 6 to 7 games of the last season fixtures. So I think he will continue with the spirit, and I think this season he has an opportunity of taking home the Golden Boot.
Okay. Yeah. What on Tusker side? They have not started the league very well. We're trying to still. I heard they changed almost half of the players that played last year. So, what's your view about Tusker starting poorly this season?
I don't know what the problem, but I also don't think we can blame the coach. I think he has to be given time for the players to merge with each other,
to bond.
To bond. So I think, as I said, I don't see Matano surviving this. So I think they will have to go to the market to look for another coach. So I think whoever will come will try to merge the players and try to do something. So that it will take time for them to do.
Yeah, so those are the fixtures for the Kenyan Premier League this weekend. So before we move to other story matters, I'll take you through the table on how the team stands. So at the first position we have Posta Rangers. After 6 games they lead with 16 points. The second place we have Gor Mahia, the mighty Gor Mahia. They are number 2 with 12 points after 6 games as well. The third position we have Muranga Seal. After 6 games they have 12 points as well. This is surprising actually. Muranga Seal is number 3.
It's not surprising. They are good.
They are good.
Those guys are good.
Do you think Posta Rangers will keep with the same pace?
I see Posta Rangers will, of course, will go the same way Tusker went, challenged Gor Mahia last season for the title. But I don't see them going so far. But I think Posta Rangers also have a very big chance of finishing at the top 4, top 3, or even going to the CAF Confederations. Of qualifying for the African Cups.
Well, that's a very nice of you. So those are the fixtures for the weekend and the town and how the table looks like. So just try create time, tafuta game moja uende ucheki. This is our game, as we always say. Hii ndo game yetu, hii ndio ligi yetu. We have to support it. We have to go and watch matches. We have to fill the stadium. Lazima tu support our own before tuende majuu hizo Chelsea, Arsenal, Man U. Let's support our content, our own league. So moving forward, I'll leave my brother, my co-host, to give us the fixtures for the English Premier League and how things go down this weekend.
So on Saturday, saa 8:30, Merseyside derby.
Actually,
Liverpool versus Everton.
Well, I think this is an early kickoff. Na venye tunasemanga early kickoff kwanga na maswara. I think it won't be surprising kuona Everton winning this game according to me. I think Everton of late pia wameamka, wametoka kwa ile usingizi walikuwa last in the opening game of the Premier League, venye Premier League ilianza, I mean. So I think they will I'll give them a win of 1-0 against Liverpool.
On my side, I will give them a draw because the problem is that Everton has been very unpredictable. Of late, they are winning, they are losing, they are winning, they are losing, they are drawing. So I will give the derby 1-1.
1-1.
Yeah,
a draw
for 1-1.
Okay.
So the next game will be saa 11. Bournemouth versus Wolves.
Bournemouth versus Wolves. This side I'll go with the the Korean guy. That's in what I mean is Wolves. Wolves tangu wapige Man City, I am giving them a chance to go at least a win for the game.
Yes, I also think they are going to grab the win because they have been very good. Indeed, after winning against City, they have come and tackled with Aston Villa, and they drew in a very tight match. I think they are going to win a 2-1 away.
A 2-1 win, okay.
So the next game will be Brentford versus Burnley.
Well, this is a tight game. The war for the week, in quotes, I mean. Brentford have been not doing well for the past few games, and Burnley as well. So this game I'll go for a draw of 1-1.
My take will be Bournemouth. They are home. I think they have a higher chance of winning against Bournemouth. I'll give them a 2-0 win.
A 2-0 win?
Yeah.
Who will score?
Will score? Mbeumo, of course. Mbeumo, of course, will score. And maybe Jensen. Yeah.
Mbeumo, the last time Mbeumo
scored has not scored for, I think, 4 to 5 games. Yeah. But I think
so unfortunate.
We'll have to do something. So the next game is Man City versus Brighton. This is a very tight match. I don't know what is your take.
Well, my take is this will be a very easy win for Manchester City. I don't see Brighton having their stake there. But having a close look at Brighton of late, their defense, they have been conceding so many goals. And if you look at them, the other side of Manchester City, remember they lost against Arsenal. So they will be going to this game with the aim of winning and scoring more goals. So I'll give them a win of 4-0.
For me, it's very unfortunate. I would have hoped Brighton would have won, but Man City have no choice. They lost against Wolves. They came and got thoroughly beaten by Arsenal.
No, you can't say so, 1 goal is a thoroughly beaten.
No.
Just 1 goal. You can't
we
say
won.
That. Yeah, you won. Actually, you won.
On that day, I was
supporting you.
The 3 points are the most important thing.
Yeah, actually, you won.
Yeah.
Fairly.
Yeah, fairly.
But you can't say thoroughly beaten.
No,
come on.
We beat them. That's the fact, because we went with 3 points.
Okay.
Yeah, so I will give Man City a 3-0 win. Yeah.
Absolutely.
The next game will be Newcastle versus Crystal Palace at Newcastle.
At St. James Park.
Yeah, St. James Park.
This will be a very high technique match, but I'll go for Crystal Palace win. Remember, Edward is back after knock injury. He has missed some games, but I think he will be back with a bang. He will at least score 2 in favor of Crystal Palace. On the other side of Newcastle, they have been well as well. They have been good as well, actually. And I think with Isak somehow injured and Wilson injured, I think they will just score a goal. So I'll give Crystal Palace win of 2-1.
For me, I don't know who will win here, but Crystal Palace have had a very strong defense.
Yeah,
They are not conceding many goals.
Absolutely.
And Newcastle are scoring goals, of course.
Yeah.
So I think it will be a 1-0 win for either of the teams.
Okay.
The next game will be Nottingham versus Luton at the City grounds.
Well, this will be an easy win for me for Nottingham Forest. Luton side are trying to find their roots in the Premier League since they joined, and I don't think they will. They have the balls enough to win against Nottingham Forest. So this will be an easy win for Nottingham Forest. They will score at least 2-0 in favor of the scorer will be Gibbs White. Gibbs White. What about you?
I won't support you at this point. I think, you have said it well that Luton have not yet found their position in the Premier League.
Yeah.
But I don't think you should underrate them.
Yeah, okay.
I think I will go for a draw.
Go for a draw.
Yeah, I will go for a draw. It will be a very tight match. I think both teams will score.
Will score.
Yeah.
Okay.
A goal draw.
And to another fixture, we'll have the London Derby going down on Saturday from 7:30, Stamford Bridge. This game will be Arsenal against Chelsea.
Yeah.
What's your view, firstly?
My view is, of course, Arsenal will win an easy win. It won't be a difficult or a hard-fought win. It won't be like that. The City game, no, that will be a very easy win, and we are going to win by 3-0.
3-0.
Yeah, we have been very good at defending away from home, and I hope we can maintain that form. We can come out with a clean sheet away at the Stamford Bridge, and I'm hoping Saka will play that game, and I see as if we will be scoring 2 goals. 2 or more goals.
Who will be the scorers?
The scorers, I give Saka 2 goals, Jesus 1 goal.
Oh.
Yeah.
On my side, this is the mighty Chelsea playing against Arsenal. So definitely I'll go for a win for Chelsea as usual. Chelsea wamepata the Chelsea of 2012 is back. The Chelsea of winning Champions League is back. So these guys, kama hujacheza na Chelsea manze, na kuhurumia sana. Kama kupiga Chelsea at our worst period of that time, I'm sorry you can't beat Chelsea now. So this game I'm giving a win for Chelsea. Not just a win, a heavy win of 4-1. Or where the scorers will be Sterling scoring a brace and Nicholas Jackson a brace as well. So to my London brothers, Arsenal, I'll see you here on Monday.
I think on Monday we should have a very long discussion about that game, of course.
Yeah.
And I think someone will be missing in this studio. I hope not.
We'll see how the game goes.
We'll see how it goes.
And, my prediction is a 4 goals win in favor of Chelsea, and I believe we can do that. We have been outstanding, and we got what it takes to win the game.
So the next game will be Sheffield United versus Manchester United.
Yeah.
So what your take?
Yeah. Sheffield against Manchester United. This will be a very easy win for Manchester United, provided that they have been winless for a couple of games. They just won their last game, and it was a late comeback actually. So they need to feel the game. They need to take charge. We need that old Manchester United back, the Manchester United of dominating games, and so I'll just give them a win of 2-0 against Sheffield United.
My take is this game is a tough game because both teams have been very poor this season, especially Man U. But I don't see any way Man U losing, although they are playing away. I will give them a win, but hard-fought win, because Sheffield have not yet won a big match today.
They have not won.
They have not won any match, and they have conceded more than 20 to something goals. So I think they will try to fight, but I see Manchester winning this game.
Yeah, so that's the fixtures for the English Premier League. So quickly we'll just take you through the table, then we can finalize our show. The first on the EPL table, the first team currently leading one is Tottenham. Tottenham leads with 20 points after 8 games. The second place is Arsenal with 20 points as well. The third place is Manchester City after losing 2 games in a row. They are third with 18 points. The fourth is Liverpool with 17 points. And lastly, the fifth position is Aston Villa with 16 points after 8 games. So, ladies and gentlemen, our viewer, that was a very good show. We hope you find a game watch over the weekend. Then we can discuss on Monday on how the fixtures went. My name is Derek Omondi, and I hope you have a fabulous weekend.
Yeah, my name is Amos Maina, and I wish you a blessed weekend.
Well, guys, enjoy. See you on Monday.